Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around stock update for the 2016 430D Xdrive M Sport 2-door coupe. The vehicle was previously featured on the 19-inch 442M BMW alloys, but as you will see now, it does now feature a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels that really do make this vehicle stand out that a little bit further. If you want to see more details on the car, I'll leave a link up in the top right hand corner. Shall now appear a link to the full walk around video. And down in the description also, it is of course presented in black sapphire metallic. It does come with the BMW M Sport Plus package, and we'll show you a quick glance of what's included in that. So you do get the larger M Sport Plus brakes front and rear. We've got a wonderful full black Dakota leather on this car with both the electric movement memory for driver's side, as well as both being heated. Of course, you do also get that Harman Kardon surround sound. We've got a magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in this vehicle, which is going to work really, really well with that Xdrive four-wheel drive system. Again, trying to show off as best as possible how nicely these wheels finish off this wonderful two-door coupe. Round at the back, you'll see there both the Xdrive and 430D badges. And again, we've got a really, really clean and tidy example of a two-door coupe 4 Series here for you. And you can see how well that black sapphire metallic works very, very well with the additions we've made, as well as those very standout alloy wheels. So as I mentioned, if you do of course want a more in-depth look at this vehicle, so a more in-depth walk around that is, please do of course remember to check out the full walk around that I'll leave a link for you, as well as more information on our website, which is again all linked in the description. Thank you all very much for taking the time to watch this short little update. We do of course hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and we most likely will of course hopefully see you soon. Take care, bye bye.